The market has been very shaky lately, particularly due to Trump and the president of China going back and forth regarding the tariffs. Those are things that we cannot control, but it made a slight dip in the market. But because of this, I think there is a particular stock that we should be all looking out for, and that is the Robinhood stock. So if you guys look at the daily chart for Robinhood, you guys can see that we've been trending up for a very, very long time, forming higher highs and higher lows. We went all the way up to $154. But further analysis of the daily chart shows us that there was a daily fair value gap that Robinhood left behind. This daily fair value gap was formed between September 26th and September 30th, right? We have three candles where the second candle creates a gap between the first and the third candle. This gap was not filled until recently, right? We had a crazy run up to $154. We dropped all the way back into our gap. And you guys can see we tried to go out of our gap on Monday, but we rejected at 140. Yesterday, we almost went below our gap, but we rejected at this equal low of $120. So this shows me that the buyers are protecting $120 and the sellers are protecting $140. So since we know that the buyers and sellers are protecting these two levels, I am personally going to be interested in Robinhood calls once we can convincingly come out of this gap, right? Once we can convincingly come out of this daily fair value gap, I'm going to see how Robinhood reacts around the $140 level. If we can convincingly go past this $140 level, then I will most certainly get long-term calls so that we can go all the way back to the all-time high of $154 or even more. So I'm only going to be looking to get into Robinhood calls when we can see that the sellers are no longer in control of that $140 region. If we can continue past that $140 region with, momentum, good volume, then I will 100% get into Robinhood calls long term and aim for the all-time high of $154. Pullbacks aren't always bad. It gives us a really good opportunity to get into stocks that were really close to the 52-week high, like Robinhood, and we can ride that same momentum like previously before.